Hey everybody, hey it's good to see you. Goodness cheese, thank you for coming here. Thank you for checking this out. And thank you for being here. Today I'm going to open up a Cuisinart digital air fryer toaster oven. And we're going to check it out here. Fairly recently, a little while ago, I've been having some problems with my gallbladder. And if anybody's ever had any problems with their gallbladder, you might know that you have to cut back or totally get rid of any fat in your diet, and that can be pretty tough because there's fat in everything. So one of the things that we thought we'd do here is we try an air fryer versus using oil in a lot of the food that we may cook. So we're going to try it out. So this is the digital air fryer from Cuisinart toaster oven. They have another one that's a non-digital one that kind of has like the dials that you turn, and you kind of have to guesstimate what the temperature is and the length, the time of cooking and things like that. So anyway, we thought we'd try the digital one because you can just boom, 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 plug it in, adjust the temperature, adjust the time, a little easier than the other one. So we're gonna open it up here and see what we got. So the other day when we brought it home, my two boys got a little excited about it and they started to open it up. So they started to open the box and they got some scissors and started to kind of help open this sucker up. So other than that, we haven't opened it up yet. But we'll check it out here for right now. And in the background, you might even hear some fireworks. Today is actually the 3rd of July in Juneau, Alaska. And the 3rd of July is historically when the fireworks go off, and they set the fireworks off. Because in Juneau, and a lot of Alaska for that matter, it doesn't get dark enough at night because the long hours that are here. So at the 3rd of July in the evening at midnight, it's technically the 4th of July, but it's at midnight. That's when the darkest possible time is. That's when most people set off the fireworks, and that's when our traditional regular fireworks show goes off. So in the background, you might hear some of the people in the neighborhood shooting off some fireworks. So anyway, just wanted to point that out. Okay, so got the top open here, and looks like this is the rack that slides in. Let's see, we'll figure out what this one is. Oh, okay, this is for the bottom of the crumb drawer that kind of pulls it out and on the manual. This is a kind of a cooking sheet. Oh, very nice. My gosh, look at the reflection on that. That's like a mirror. Probably won't see a mirror for too long, but man, looks pretty today. Really nice. And then we have a wire basket for, I think this one you use for a lot of the kind of the frying, like the fries and things like that. So, check that out. Okay, open this sucker up. All right, packaging material. Nothing else in there. Happy 4th, or actually 3rd today, but you know what I mean. looks nice. All right, the rack slides in there. This is for cooking. Like I said, this is kind of the main fryer, and then kind of a roasting pan, cooking pan. Check that out. Yeah, here, we'll get you a close-up here. All right, this is a close-up here of what it looks like. Air fry and so much more. Bake, broil, pizza, proof. Proof? I'm not sure what proof means. Roast, dehydrate, low, toast, bagel, reheat, keep warm, and dual cook. What the heck is proof? Has anybody heard of proof before? I don't even know what that means. Let me know if you've ever heard of proofing food before. I sure haven't. It's definitely new to me. So let's see, open the sucker up. That's where the rack is that I just put in there. And in the top is 4 coils, hot coils on the top. And there's also a fan that spins around and moves the air around. On the bottom, we got 2 coils on the bottom. And normal toaster oven, we have a toaster oven, just a regular one, there's just 2 coils on the top. And so this one has a couple extra coils, so I think that's where the extra heat's gonna kick in and really make it kind of an air fryer. Up at the top here is the digital readout with the displays. Lights. Oh, there's even a light inside here. Cool. Okay. Must be a light in the back there. Oh, I think I see it back around the corner there. There's a light. Dual cook, air fry, start stop, and a little spinning knob. There's kind of some set things in here. We'll plug it in and show you later on here. Toast, bagel, bake, broil, pizza, roast, dehydrate, proof. There's proof again. Low. Air fry, fries, wings, nuggets, snacks, vegetables, reheat, warm, and then some of the digital times that kind of come on here. So that's it for that. Oh, looks like at the bottom here is a little crumb tray. Clean stuff out. Whoa, how does that go back in? Oh, I found it. Here it is. Crumb tray. Let's see. Some side vents. There's a plug. The back. A little bit of maybe kind of a vent right there. Little spacer so you can keep it away from things on that side. And some more vents on this side. So, it's looking pretty good. We're gonna go hook it up and we're gonna proof some food. I don't know what that means. We're gonna cook some food. So there it is so far. The Cuisinart digital air fryer toaster oven. Time for a run through of the food. We're gonna make some French fries first off here. And the little, I just wanna show you right down here, there's a little doohickey quick guide, and this is what you're supposed to put in the bottom there so you can kind of look at things quickly. Let's see, what does it say? It shows you how to do the air fryer, chicken, bacon, French fries, different things in there that you might want to just kind of do a quick check on. And on the other side is some troubleshooting. So if you're having trouble and you want to check it out, see what to do, that's where it's at. So this slips down into a little kind of a pocket down below, and then it fits in the bottom. Okay, so we set this up here, we set the time, and we're getting ready to do some French fries here. It says it recommends to use this baking drip pan when you're doing air frying. So basically that's gonna go right on top of that. There's 2 positions over here, position number 1, position number 2. And for most things, it says to use number 2 if you're baking something larger. bring it down to number 1. So this toaster rack can be put down here for now because we're going to use number 2 with the drip pan. Drip pan is going to slide right into number 2, and then once we get the fries in there, fries are going to go right in this air fryer basket. And by the way, oh my gosh, we tried these fries from Costco. Holy cow, they're low fat, really. I mean, the fat on here is 3 grams of fat per serving. Holy cow, that is really low for fries. And so we just said, oh, I don't know, we'll give it a try. So we got them, and holy cow, they are really good. So I would definitely check out these Costco fries. Crinkle cut, they come in a big box, and there's like, I think 4 frozen bags. And you just pop one open and ready to go. So they're really good, actually, too. Really good. So we're gonna load up the first batch here. Space it out. Space it out. A little more. Okay, sweet. I'm gonna put a little bit of seasoning on there, and we'll stick them in the oven. We have them seasoned and ready to go here. I have Mrs. Dash that I put on there, which is a salt-free mix, and I use this on just about everything. It is so good. I have the original blend, and I also use the table blend, which is just a little finer ground, so that you can just kind of sprinkle it on like salt and pepper. But for seasoning, I put this one on everything. All right, here we go. Inside, close them up, and there is a preset. Let's see if I can get this right here. I was just reading this. Hit the button. Okay, it says toast. We want to go down to, and I'm turning this knob here. Bagel, bake, and we're gonna bake. And oh, actually, you know what? Sorry, that's not right. We need to hit air fry. That's what it is. Air fry, and then air fry is going to bring over a menu, and there's preset fries, wings, nuggets, snacks, vegetables. So we can turn this knob down to fries, and the preset for it's preset for frozen French fries. It goes up to 450 degrees. If you're doing fresh cut French fries, then you can set it down to 400 degrees. And that's it. You just push this button. Lights up here. I think that's it. Let's see. Hit it again. Yep. Okay, double. Hit it once to say, are you sure? And then twice, once to set it, and then twice to get it going here. So it is going. There's also a light in here, which is pretty cool. So you can hit the light and look inside and see how these suckers are doing. All right, so I'm excited to check it out here. It says 20 minutes, 450 degrees. The fan's on. I'm not sure what the little, that's it. I think it's frozen. That's what it is, the frozen button. Sure. So if it's something frozen, then that little snowflake comes on, and you can turn it on and off. So you're telling it basically if it's frozen or not. And so default, it goes right to the frozen mode. Air fry, fries. All right, 19 minutes. We'll see what happens. Here we go, checking it out. Beeped, and we're gonna open it up and see what it looks like here. Woo-wee! Oh man, it looks good. It almost looks like maybe it's we're gonna be a little crispy. Holy cow, super crispy. Really good. All right, so let's see. Definitely crispy, crispy, crispy. Oh yeah, crispy all the way around. Man, they are looking really good. Okay. Woo! First batch is looking mighty fine, super crispy and good. Okay, we're gonna bring it over to the fam and see what they think. Looking good. There it is. There's the fryer. Air fryer. Fry with air. Isn't that crazy? Hot air. Boom, boom, boom. So here are the two toasters side by side just to give you a comparison, size comparison. This is the air fryer that we have, the Cuisinart air fryer, and it is taller. You can see that. It's a little bit, let's see, not shorter, but less wide, I guess. A little bit smaller width than the other one that we have. The other one happened to be a Cuisinart as well. This was our just regular kind of a toaster oven. And so it is, I just measured it here just a minute ago. And this one is about 17 inches. 17 inches wide. And the other one is about 15 and a half inches wide. So just a little bit smaller that way. And then up and down you can see there's about, oh, I don't know, 3-4 inches or so there. This one's 10 inches tall and 14 inches tall. So about 4 inches difference there. And they're about the same in the back as far as how much they stick out. This one has, the older one has a little bit of a nub. It kind of sticks out there and on both sides, so that may take up a little more space. And this one does kind of have a little kind of a nub, but it's much smaller and a little bit flatter on that one. So far we've been using it and it is really amazing. Super, super awesome. I would definitely recommend getting an air fryer, toaster oven if you haven't tried one. This is really nice. It cooks everything super quick, way faster and crispier than the other toaster ovens that we've used in the past. So I think it's definitely thumbs up for me for sure. And if you have any questions about any of this stuff, that that we've been how to cook some different things, or just kind of some thoughts that we've had or whatever on any of this stuff, let us know in the comments below, and we'll do what we can. So definitely, I would say check it out if you are thinking about it for sure. Here's our air fryer from Cuisinart. And yeah, it's been doing great. All right. Tuyé Quasatine, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to it, follow the Raven's View, and we will see you soon. Good night. Good night.